I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on Google Meet. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Meet. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.